when whoever say wada because we who no again and let it could made the way you want but we allow me errors will give you error with this area error bon you are getting funny error have been you out again funny oh eba ogun no am ogun je fa akia we Jennifer eba ogun oh wedding here we sika no bia ni asipa ka no bia Jennifer eba ogun we you told me it didn't yes said be Jennifer now we tell na I will come out and bring the shot. Or soon with an Euro. But boy, we are done. This is the beat in one kind. Oh, why, oh, why?
I'm never not that man, no. They can move, yeah, I tell you why. I tell you why, man, no, you don't know. Okay, I have it, not back one of that man, no. I give you, tell you why, man, no, you don't know. You woman of your bono, okay, not back one of the not back one of the not back one of the man, they can move you. Nagbagwan note, I tell you one. Nagbagwan note, Nagbagwan note, I tell you one. They can move you. Let Madame Abiayuwa, Nova America. I want Golorio. Prophet Atiti, your wedding does you want a yak book your win. A when you yak bakaga at dinner. A one we in Macana Meville. I will la video presenter ya. You know, Mamma mia, the Pame, where Zabu Nivesi, Nuni, Uke Bagalia Wa, here where you here where Debukere, Ofekere, here woman, a Yamia, Abia you one of your food. Okay, Yamio. That bag one not take up, no. What give you? Back one not take up, Abia you one of your book. Okay, Yamio. Wagu Ooo every time I go, I pay you one and no give. Wagu Ooo nezagwa, Ooo gakofie mo kusa o. I pay you one and no give. Maria Moro, Maria Charo, Maria Savior, I fear you are, Number one of Telopano, I give you, number one of Telopane. I fear you are a little bit, is your Wagyo, the Kenu yo, I pay you one and no give. Now I said no.
Yeah, I greet the hustle, not too much. I greet everybody. Anytime I see this video, me can help me share this video. I greet the whole world. As you can see, I never still get myself. Why I want to do this video, I want to use and debunk some kind of things. My people, if you now see this social media, this boy, what they call Frank Victor.
I mean, you're dropping me doing this man, what you know. Nobody know, and we ever can't give a order.
This boy, Frank Victor, Nanoa, Sayemere. This boy has been manipulating you people in this cyberspace. God knows that I'll be trying my best to expose him and his useless wife. I've tried my best. Now he has finally bad this woman with his bullying and his scamming effort and everything. Now the video where this woman called the wash, where the woman take by Lydia Biewa. The video where he called the wash. Now I play governor. Now if they go they play Mama Joy video where they take do saga before. Frank want try to deceive people now to tell the thing that Mama Joy saga na by the woman. He's trying to manipulate all those people with the watch arm. I no say for this social media, people just deal with BC their sense now that leg your day. Because to say the way me be don't prince now so everybody be. I believe say they not feel this scam person or they not mumu not too many for this world. Because the way they see so many people on this social media, I can't see and say people where they brainwash, not many pass. People where you be zombie, you they follow people like zombie. Now there many pass. People who did the social media, they believe on say who don't get big platform, now they fit talk truth. Not be by big platform they talk truth or na big that to get view they talk truth. Now those one those people those cyber people they deceive you now. People come here, they use truth, they tell you the truth and wait till they happen. Now if you say me that person because say 5,000 people know they watch and 2,000 people know they watch and wait till that person they talk, it not make sense. Now wait till they worry also Edo cyberspace with this. That is why you see many Edo cyberspace people they have to fake it and be buying view just to deceive you now. Now they say also they have to fake it and be buying view to deceive all of you now. Okay, imagine this boy now. I've been bullying this woman for a very long time. This boy I'll be coming out to tell this boy to leave this woman. This boy not going to leave this woman. Now, Mama Joy where they don't settle. Mama Joy where this lady Abiowa don't settle. No fight again for this. So now Mama Joy come with the help her. The fight the woman fight. Now this boy now want to now almost want to brainwash her off now because some people don't get brain. Imagine this woman where carry me social media president go the carry go Nigeria go the sue Mama God's power. Now this social media with the with Frank Victor, what they call Osayemere. Now this social media all of us did we Osayemere bully God's power mama. That God's power mama where they run follow like coward too. Now this social media all of us did we bully that woman, bully the pikin. Bully Denia. Now social media president, me Enogi, now I help all those people at that time. You dey say also social now me Enogi and social media president. Now we help that boy at that time when this Omozuo, this Osayemere, they bully Mama God's power. But better say the woman are illiterate. Na person wey be say they fit eat vomit. That woman not get sense. It be like person wey get mental problem. And now they look the woman like person who want go viral by all means. She's trying to trend. She's trying to go viral at his old age. Now they hear me so. She's trying to go viral at his old age. Stanley Standard Vibe. Good morning. God bless you, my brother. Please, wanna help me share this broadcast. Make many people for see what did they happen for Edo cyberspace. Say, almost one now they feel say he go fit brainwash people.
Please,
now they hear me so. Almost what they feel say he go fit brainwash people. Almost what they feel say he go fit brainwash people. See, Omozwo, you never know the one where you pull your hand. You're the teaching and play because you go hard from Mama Kevias now. You go hard from Mama Kevias. You are the one that tell us in this social media, say, we they stay with women. You say, why we go they stay with women? You say, no, they stay with woman. Me, they stay with woman. Epa Eddie, they stay with woman. Who again? Many people like that. You say, we they stay with women. You say, we not get level. But today, we don't they say, it's like, don't they go close to the way you want to stay with Mama Kevi? Now, see this social media, it they pay me, say, for grand, for real life. Now they know they read the social media. Don't back all this one. For real life, if they work out, they go for street. The way people take, they celebrate you. Now you take know that you try. Not be all this fake live video they do so. Now real life, now I tell you say don't Prince get value. If I they work out, they go for street. The love where they get for street. Sometimes I'll go inside, I'll tell my woman, say, I don't know, say people like me like this. You think say people don't like Don Prince. I don't know, say people like me like this. The way people they show me love, and the one that say, not be waiting me what they do for social media. This boy now, Frank Omozwo, Osayemere, no Zua, no feel we maybe we now to the bully people we don't help her or people we be say near her. Now so they do social media. Don't be so they do social media. If you look my stake in this social media, now presenter that only fact. Because when I come out for this Edusaba space, because this is presenters why I can't see many wayward. They not get future. Now just to they insult everybody. I can't say why this boy they insult people for Africa like this. Now I tell you that social media. Oh. Why people they insult? Now I tell you that before I can't jam Infinity Saga. Before I tell no Monica. They hear me so? So move fairly leave those one aside. So my people, I want to play the video where Omozwo Osayemere from Victor Iyobo. The video where he take bully this woman last, where this woman take basso. Now the video I want to share for now, so when I the watch. Now they hear me so when I listen to the video, the last video where this woman come they wash this lady Abiyiwa. The last video where he come they wash, where he retouch her. Because the only one pikin where the woman get, now they call Jennifer. Jennifer, now they call that pikin. This woman can do anything because of that pikin. You know they use that pikin, they follow anybody play. Now this pikin, now this boy saga last. Mona wash. Asta, I see you. Mona wash.
Uhena ina hegena atiku ina work we show le. When you have what we say, you don't go wa adeniwa. When who we say wada be kusu mu yan.
You know say it too wide. Now you call the chopping money. You know say you get big bekus. You not tell her the first say, madam, you get big bekusu. I don't get what they use it they do. You settle down, finish this woman money. After you don't chop money finish, now you can't know say she get get white bekus. Now you can't know say the bekus where you get na River Niger. But the time when this man they pay your house rent, they take care of your bees. They do a central. You and Mama Kevi, they use the money, they go Africa shop, they go supermarket. Now they enjoy their life. You not to say you to too wide. Women, when are they listing? Women, when are they listing? Now they for victim. Women, now full social media. Now they for victim. Women, when are they listing? Listen to me. Now they for victim. Mama Kevi did there, they happy. Mama Kevi will worst. Mama Kevi will worst. Me, the saga Mama Kevi today. Mama Kevi not get what he do me. And because of Frank Omozwo, Osayemere, that make me the saga Mama Kevi. I don't saga Mama Kevi family, and I never even start. Now I want start better saga. Omorigi, God bless you, my brother. I see you. Thank God, I see you. So I never even start. Now me want start better saga. Where be say people will see me, they'll say this boy na witch. Now I want to do raw saga. Saga where they raw. Now me want start. You dey hear me so that one they one side. Mama Joy today, where almost what they try to brainwash everybody now. The phone saying that Mama Joy saga by Lady Abiyoyiwa. My people, could you believe say now because of this Osayemere, now make Mama Joy ever saga Lady Abiyoyiwa? The last time I checked, Lady Abiyoyiwa not get what he do with Mama Joy. And Mama Joy not get banana mish. They not get anything. Now because of this idiot, this boy, what they call Frank Victor Osayemere, because of this boy, now make Mama Joy saga Lady Abiyoyiwa. All the people who saga Lady Abiyoyiwa now because of Frank Omozuo. Today, all the people they saga Mama Kevi not going to do anybody. Now because of Frank Omozuo. Una dey hear, in case una wey wan go meet her tomorrow, una wey wan go hide the dodge the fucker tomorrow, una wey wan hide go the dodge the knacker tomorrow, mona dey listen to me. Now maybe Don Prince, I go piss on your toto, not be lie. You yourself go hey. Mama Kevi did there, shame not let her brief face come out for camera again. You know it is the sea. Mama Kevi, shame not they let her, they bring face come out for camera again. Because why? She know what she dey see. Just because your mouth will a person will be saying not get shame. So tell if you do video finish, you go they cry. But me they tell you, say this woman, no matter anything, this woman they go they dream they see this woman. This woman go they meet them. He go they torment them. Because Abiyoyiwa now grievances this woman take back. This woman put Omozuo for her grievances take back. He think Omozuo say this boy, we down your cash. I'll take care of this boy. Now you put for mad Omozuo before he back. Anywhere this woman dey now. Now you put for mad based on say you bully her, you scam her, you frustrated her, you they use her naked video, they threaten her. How you say me this woman take survivor? If not be Don Prince, if for them take this man for them back. How you say me this woman take survivor? My people, if you do believe him in us, no, if you do wag so many people you can live fake life. Now fake life so many people can celebrate. Original life, don't they celebrate her again? Imagine you carry this woman naked video, they use her, they threaten her. How you say me this woman take leave? You use this woman where be say he take you as his love. He believe in you that you are the one that God sent for him. He believe in you, say now you my destiny day hand. He try and everything, he spend all money for you just to make you feel happy. He don't know say now you want to buy. Women, mona dey careful. Some men are devilish. Women, mona dey careful. Some men are devilish. This woman rely on you. He love you with all his heart. He's ready to do everything for you. And he was doing it. Anytime you send him 1,000 or 2,000, any amount to tell him about this woman bring, you know they look back before he give you the money. You carry this woman money till they knock different presenters. You carry this woman money till they knock different women. You say me this woman they happy. Not be body till they work the money. All the suffer where this woman don't suffer till work all the money. You chop all the money, this go around, you finish her. Now you are not coming out, they tell the world now say Ikbeku's big, Ikbeku's wide. You know they marry that kind of woman. This is a woman with only born one pikin. Now you say Ikbeku's wide. The one where you put for us, where don't born about 4 children with different father. You say that one Ikbeku's good. You are deceiving people. You are deceiving the Edo people. You are deceiving everybody. You dey deceive them. You are telling the whole world now say, person wey don born 4 children, even get grandpikin. Use it, Ikbeku stay hustle anyhow. This woman, he not go pay madam. Lady Abiyoyiwa not go pay madam. Now family, now carry her abroad. He not go pay madam. The woman when Omozuo put for her to say no do azuo social media na fi wetin e brainwash one. Mama Kevi come pay madam. Mama Kevi come pay madam. I know they tell na lie. My show now the way Mama Kevin knew enter Europe. When I see the picture. When Mama Kevin knew enter Europe, when he young, where they pay madam. My show now the picture. When I say Mama Kevin don't spend 30-something years for abroad. Spain boy, God bless you, Spain boy. Spain boy, don't tell you, I know they see you again. Don't tell Spain boy, Genarige. Pretender too many for those cyber space. Pretenders. See man, they pretend the little wa. You know what they use on head. Pretender the day where you cash say their way not clear. They dodge. They'll go there from corner they wash you. They'll go there from corner they wash you. I know many of them. That is why Don Priest is different. They'll go there act for corner they wash you. They know so you be good person. They know. Because their way not clear. May God help you now. When I see the picture where Mama Kevin is young. Where you knew it Italy. When I see. I laugh. You think you can brainwash people? I thought see na Mama Joy. Na Mama Joy saga na ekpaya. You want to brainwash people? See na Mama Joy saga na ekpaya. Faith, good morning. God bless you, Faith. Please, more than me share this video. Make many people for see. Because many people don't know say I dey here. More than me share this video. Make many people for see. So that may they see what they happen for those about space. Ugbe the woman na wa amunya ma be ohun wa do house of social media na wa do form the way you know say you don't buy this woman for inside your heart. You know na buy you are your yeah woman wey not get sense we put for us. You know say na buy. You know not be say you know say na buy. Wa do pretend. Imagine they use person nakedness till they threaten her. You dey use the nakedness till they threaten her. We know say that woman not get mad like that. All the time when I do love, you not tell her say you can't use the nakedness say threaten her. You dey use the nakedness. You see the saga picking journal. Only one picking we get. Even though say this woman come and saga you, you know we will leave and say, "Oh, na me I go ne I don't call me. I don't leave this woman. Me still dey go." If you be person wey get conscience, ni make gbeye kevi. O ma mi your pado ya saga because we no ya gbe Ni ke gbeye Kevin gbe family. O ma ti do saga because you know say you not get what you take saga Don Prince. Because go see all the women where you don't friend where you saga. You saga all the women where now lay do blog you not fit saga because you why do blog get what you want to fight you. Becky not get what you want to fight you. You know say you get many things to fight Becky, you fight her. Proud mom, you get many things to fight proud mom, you fight her. Mommy let Lord lead. You get many things to fight her, you fight her. Why you not fight a do blog? Now see the way they deceive all of you now. Why you not fight a do blog? A do blog will be one scatter your ass. A do blog will release Mama Kevin audio. A do blog will release many audio. You not fit fight her. You dey dance around. I'm in a reference. I'm in a reference. You just go on because why? You get what you want to beat you. If a most will not say you pass her, he can never reply you. He go dey pretend. What you want to reply you? He not get because you will finish him. As me day here now, if you go social media, my hand never seke for social media. Apart from what they laugh me, they say my platform, 400 people know they watch me, 5,000 people know they watch me. Now this one they laugh me. They don't see one better thing say, don't please, that's so you do. Now so you chop person money, now so you betray person. They never see. Go and check all of them. I have integrity. Then nobody can tell you. Don't please one that they see, so I have integrity. They know they see anything to beat me. That is why you see all of them, they do like this. I don't want to reply. Reply, what you want to reply me? Baba, oh la la, this is chief, oh la la for our time. Baba, Nagwama, with Domosa. So now they hear me so. So now they mega fool. Now use all the people with the saga today because why? He get what it is. See Mama Joy with the saga today. He get what it is the saga Mama Joy. Now make her feel the saga Mama Joy. What you want to saga me? He not get. Only when you go take saga me nephew, saga me, maybe you go to pack my family people come out. You go to saga there. Say Don Prince. Obama ye seke do sabas space. I am ni agbin we do sabas space. I am ni ku bele ya we do sabas space now. We no present away zoo or we be say they get many things to take saga there. Don Prince wetin want to saga me. Tell me. Now no they know that that one they fear Don Prince. So I don't know. Now this say all these presidents are not get sense. Una don't know. Though they deceive all of una. Don Prince, I have integrity. Forget say all of us they do saga. Forget say all of us they do saga. Now maybe Don Prince. I'm a spiritual man. You get the way I take day. They go better. This why I don't beat beat. Why I not can do follow me? Why all the juju we say want go carry? Why not go carry am? He knows I maybe Don spiritual. I go better if they pain as he lose me. I tell her for life, say, I go better as you lose me. You can never see person like me again for your life. See, so you lose me, I'll never see person like me. All the people where they follow, many never run live on. Even I hear and I say learning, mama learning, when I'm learning, only even less here. Only know why wait back up with only learning. Costa sa one le of Costa sa one le of Nah, Nelly don't run now. All of them will run. Don't be saying no, they will run. I just stand. Oh, Segebo, yeah. Because Don Prince, on me here, fear that person. That person not good. Anybody Don Prince don't follow Waka. Fear that person. Now maybe Don Prince. As for the area where I did, I feel follow Christmas, he do friend. Nobody will not feel do friend. Anybody you see, I not feel near. I not feel near for social media. That person, he will not clear. He's a pretender. I must tell you now the truth, but nobody will believe because 5,000 people know they watch me. Nobody will believe because 5,000 people know they watch me. But now the truth, now they tell you now. I believe say few people will understand what they talk. Now the fact where they do about space and they tell now. That is why I they talk and the way it be. That is why say spicy G's don't wrong. I not believe that one not feel wrong. Spicy G's not feel wrong. Donny corner. I tell you now say a Suzy. Imagine a Suzy big rich for those about space. He buy a yellow name Monica. A big Suzy when me coming for social media. Suzy way supposed not get people with they on that rank. Now nap Suzy. Me never see say a co-better comment for Suzy. This lady Suzy platform one day. Lady Suzy me co-better or comment a platform we were there. But a co-better, I don't know why they had the co-better join the saga. A co-better come off my road. Not be you are the fan. I don't be you are the fan because you know your way. This idiot way they said where they deceive all of them, where they call muzzle. Now wait. In short, person when me come, when me not follow. Person when me follow for 3 years. He might call one day with co-better. Give me 1 naira. A co-better they suffer. How many of them have you done for this about space? I know they call them. Nothing say easy. It mean a hungry person. Say they really hungry whether they talk. A co-better for but the disturber. Apart from that one. Say mama will be blessing me. Also no. Sometimes they me a co-better not they talk, but I know the way you fight. Ask her. We not they talk. It is a go see that kind of person give for life. It decrease. I want to see him. It did then they pain made carry Akiko no come fight to you again. Akiko my dog bina on the return. I heard the laugh. Akiko no way want to fight Don Prince. He want to fight Ole Agbe. God bless you. I see you, my sister. Long time. I greet you. Where this mama Kevin picture now? I want to show na mama Kevin picture when young. When he enter Italy. When I see mama Kevin. Wa be agmona. Anything you take, when you take laugh person, they come back to you. Say, does she even have the money? Igbe woman, my sister. Or you watch the social media, you do a house was, you do a box, you do a film, you day. Mene show be mena, but one day, when I come back, say I better pass many presenters. Me will not show myself now. They say one day the day I will show myself. When I come back, say I better pass many presenters, many. They live fake life. Original life easy to maintain. Now fake life, they many for social media. Fake. Somebody say fake. If you know you are watching, say fake life. Not many for social media. Fake. Fake life. This is not play. Not be play with a fake life many. What done you na? When I see Mama Kevin. When I see Mama Kevin. When I see Mama Kevin. See, imagine this one don't enter Italy at this young age. When I screenshot her. When I see Mama Kevin. This is na Italy picture. Imagine, see Mama Kevin. This picture don't pass 20-something years. This picture don't pass 20-something. This woman will shout now. Say, I don't please get this picture. Mama Kevin now will surprise. I take get this picture. When I look Mama Kevin, don't pass 20-something years for Italy. Never go Nigeria once. This now when this woman they pay madam. This now when Mama Kevin they pay madam be this one. Mona they share this video. We ain't got video. Oh. No. Mona have me they share this video. Why are they love and like you? Why me pressing love and like so that make Facebook for the recommend my videos. Forget say I know they get money for all my platform. I don't even care. You know even they bother me. Now they hear me so. You know they bother me. My whole I know they see platform. They disguagua these people. Because it's why I start this social media. I never ever chop the social media money like that. For all the years where I did. I don't even care. And I still they okay. Part those where they carry million tasks on social media. They still they live fake life. They still they live fake life. They know they wear. Fake life won't finish them. See Mama Kevin. See Mama Kevin. Ye Kevin now where? Ye Kevin do not be you. You make glasses yao. Glasses 1970 something no mu yao. When you came with glasses 1970 something yao. Imagine all this glass where this man put for her now, my people. This glass, now you see they use it today. Look the glass where. This man see they use this glass today. Glass where this man do get when you enter Italy. 1970 something glass. Oh, you look yave now. This is the Mama Kevin. When they see Mama Kevin, Mama Kevin be this one so. Wait to do Okpo for Italy. You do Okpo finish after pay madam do everything. You can't use the bekus stay born for different men. Now the same bekus. Now almost for the leak today so. Almost for la Lorena now. You the leak bekus where not your hustle. Lady Abio was not hustle. Lady Abio was not hustle. He only born for a billionaire. Now all of them know the billionaire we born for. This man where they say generator for Benin. Samutaka generator. Una know Samutaka generator. Now Lady Abio was born for. Samutaka generator is a billionaire in Benin. Go ask. Go ask. Say how many stock Samutaka get for Nigeria? How many company? Where for they sell this big generator, all those big plants, all those lister. Have a Gina big guy. Have a big aging. Go and see. Now billionaire born for. My people now they hear me so. Well, I'm not vex on me. I don't feel shot like that because I not too get strength. Since when this man take die, I never get myself. I don't feel turn on lie. Since when this man take die, I never get myself. You see the bill I feel for my eyes. A person they die like that, you just sleep, you know, wake up. Who have you? Who yori? You can't tell me my so have you yori. Tell no to soon me out. Person who they talk every day. Me myself, you can't be like say the person not dey close to me. You might get it, man. Now they hear me so. Now you are not telling the whole world now say this woman get big bekus wide. Now make you not feel marry her. But you pretended to eat this woman money. You pretended to eat her money woefully. My people, don't be true be that one. How they tell you do true? How they tell you do true? Now because of this boy. Now that woman called the fall for many people hand. The time where this boy did with this boy, where this woman did with this boy, this man not fall for anybody hand. This man they talk to anybody. When Lady Abioye was there with Franco Mozuo, nobody even know. They use fake account. They'll put what do you call them? They'll put one gate. They'll put up. Now they use. Nobody even know. Mozuo don't chop this woman. Chopper. Get where he chopper reach. The woman call the C say this boy they use my money. They fuck different women. Mozuo begin to lie. They deny all of them. They deny. Not be sure they deny. Not sure they deny now. It's not to the deny. If you go reach Mama Kevin when he say he married today, he deny Mama Kevin for 1 year. This woman, he deny her for 1 year. We call the phone say married so. You see, huh? See Mama Kevin picture now, we don't old now. Now the young picture we knew at Italy. Now I show now so. This is Mama Kevin. Mona screenshot her, Mona go show her. Say if not be him be this one. No be you be this one, Mama Kevin. And when I hear, you will wonder now, say, I don't please see this picture. I tell you, say every day, Sarah, this is not play. I never have to start. And me, ya don't prince. If me see FBI, I see FBI, I tell that what to do with me, give FBI. Allah. If almost was spent 1 week for Italy, you know, I'm not be the prince. It to say me see me the America now. Say America the prince day. Now me go carry this matter go beat FBI. Evidence, Sarah. If evidence you define. All the one where the even the naked video where they say give this woman. Which evidence you define? Which evidence, Sarah? You know, boy now we be. And the boy now we be. Una know what this boy do this woman say body. Una know my people. He come man now, what call the saga Mama Joy. You want to turn everything for Mama Joy head. We talk boy. Where you know say Mama God's power, you saga that woman here. But today they don't settle. Mama Joy and Lady Abioye, they don't settle. He was even said so many things. He gave evidence where Mama Joy get. Where if you put a muzzle for prison. I did tell the truth. Evidence day where Mama Joy gets. When Lady Abioye was sent, give Mama Joy. Where if you put a muzzle for prison. I just move here enter the right source. Move here enter the right source. Make Abioye family. May they not use this matter play. I pray the way that they talk, may they not use it and play. Because truth many way this woman break come out before by blessed this woman no say she want back. Now make her release everything come out. God. The blessed this woman no say she want back. See the video we can watch now. I'm not listing the video we can watch. We take back now. See the video.
Again, I listen to made the way you want, but we are not. Error was with you. Error with next year. Error, Bomo, you're getting funny. Error, made you out. I get funny. Oh, Eva, how good I will put it for half now.
Nayera, the pikin.
Eva, how good. Oh, when you hear this, come, Jenny. I said,
the pikin where the woman born, that be Jennifer. He say Eva, how good one money here. Now the pikin where the woman born, the only one pikin that is insult so. Now this video, now the woman they wash, where the woman call the one that boy and me was go laugh me, why we laugh me yane. Ni do am but bovi me na. Hey, it the pin person. Not be everybody will feel beer. My people, not be everybody will feel beer. More they talk truth. What the man tell matter a video now because maybe the woman not giving her money or no want talk as a presenter, no want talk truth. God, I will judge you now. God, I will judge you now. Una when the verse now the woman not they share money. Say oh you see this. No, not they share money. Me don't please. I never asked that woman money once. Now she they use the man send money come me say don't please you be mad. You marry rien where don't prince. I did call the mom zen. I got to read rien where. Yeah, they are being nah don't please. And really when you call them my hand. Now you make us sit the cut down. Just that thing, and when this boy come, they try to they bully her again. They send the naked video, they give her say, you go fuck him up. You go, you come out from nowhere. They talk lie. You begin bullying Peking. Not be Peking, they bully so. You only want Peking. Now the kind of they give. This one 7 days ago, you do this video. 7 days ago, now you do this video. And at this video, you call the wash. She done late now 5 days ago now. You did this video 7 days ago. I can't reply you 6 days ago. She back 5 days ago. What now what tell me? What now what tell me? Hey, what are you listening? The bid where you want to come out now. Imagine the woman bid where you give a muzzle, make the carry go Africa. Now a muzzle carry come out. Take go do marriage with Mama Kevi. Eti ye Kevi who area? Bid a bid on one. Bid. May I show now the bid? When I see this bid where I carry come out so. This bid where they do marriage. And this woman get bid. Lady Abe you are bid. Now this boy take go do marriage Mama Kevi. And Mama Kevi still agree to use and do marriage. Only my woman with you are. Anyway, he want me might understand. Eh? See bid. Where this woman buy. Say me almost will carry go ass. Almost will come out. This bid. Now almost will. They do Mama Kevi marriage. We all of us celebrate with her. Marriage, they not see the one what they do for Africa. They not see anything now. This bid they do their Isaiah marriage. You know, they see the kind of life that they live for now. You go come and go say they get sense past everybody. You will get sense past everybody. Your ass for Nigeria. Your ass for Nigeria where you say they build this man money. They seize your ass. You say you get sense past everybody. You know nothing that God make the seize that ass. They say God no say this kind of thing will happen. When man go no so boy yak na e. When man go no so boy yak na e. If you do, you get the way God to the facts. God no say this kind of thing will happen. That make you see and say that house. God will collect the ass for your hand. He's saying you wise. When are they listening? The video. The video where kill that, where buy that woman. That be this.
Oh, when you get sick of Jenny, I sit back and be a Jennifer. If I won't away. You told me, it didn't. Yes, said, be Jennifer. Now, I will come out and bring the picture out. Or soon with
this video, carry the picture come out right now.
This is the beat, no one kind. Oh, wow,
now this video want to talk about so.
I'm with you,
I'm with you.
Now my people.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
This beat she's talking about now. We are the Olivia and toast Abiyawa. Olivia was toasting Abiyawa. If you know how to stay. Olivia is a toast Abiyawa, toast Abiyawa. Abiyawa and the Olivia were a friend Victor or Fred in.
Imagine.
Abiyawa is a Olivia from without Fred in.
Now lie.
Yes, the godmother.
Imagine.
Stand. I know yes, the godmother. I know you are patronized if you're here. Oh, if you know, people don't get problem at all. You may know if you're here. No, how my kind of if you don't hear. And I will know even if you want to complete. I'm not complete to a very well because a very well with good money. We are there, don't you know? I'm not talking about you what Iraq when came. I'm not seeing about you what Iraq when came.
My people, a boy now, you know what seeing me. You're not Tory. You're not Tory. You're not seeing. All the Benny. Now, we don't have a penny now. You don't have to not a penny joy. We joy to my brother Larry, who was working. The whole world know what is going on. The whole world, except the illiterate, I mean, Nizua, no man, we not get sense. Now, the one they believe you. Mama Joy is an innocent soul. Mama Joy. This woman, Lady Abiyawa, love Mama Joy because they don't already settle. Tomana love DJ Joy. And you gotta send that evidence. So DJ Joy. There are so many evidence. Not send the DJ Joy. Now because of you, now I make Mama Joy first saga this woman. By playing the video, where you tell the way that they saga each other, you dey fool yourself. Me awe made up video where ya is sort of gospel one no do ameme no re UK na. Iye gospel one no zoa na no we re UK no ma dey okay. Do you know how many video you use to saga that woman? Do you know how many video you use to saga and his son over no zoa? Ya go today. They are not eating without no apology, nothing. They are not eating. They are vomit. When I see the video, we buy Lady Abiyu. Now they play given us so. When are they listening?
Then, Olivia, okay, no problem. On my time, on the young with the gift now, the surprise gift now. Olivia, you do queen gift. Abi wanna send you, wanna send a Olivia. Or you send you math, about 200, 300,000, or not send the Olivia, or I send you the receipts. Why down home? Olivia, you do queen a bead. Olivia, you can beat, you can view. Olivia, when I pay you are. Send that dress here. Me post a bead get. Me I pay you what here. I don't know.
Na lie they talk.
I pay you what here. I don't.
I just wanna lie.
Or a gift in Yamumi.
If Abiyu want give her that bid, he go tell her the first time where ya time Olivia no we bid in well. No ya we live with you. My people, if really say the bid Abiyu want to give her, Abiyu will not be surprised. Not be what they do surprise. Bid will not reach and they do surprise. Or man not say where Abiyu will not send you where the receipt. No ya pay Olivia. Or matama when I'm with you, why you dey lie they give people? We are good to why you dey lie they give people? Because this man not get what you go talk. Why you dey lie? If Abiyu want to send you bid, as in he want to dash you bid, he go tell you say ya wa we bid in when and now I can discuss him wa unegbe. Or we mean when more the motor no was a man atama where he motor na wa pay yo ya send the receipt go. But the motor na twen what's a man where yo. But you are coming out to deceive people now. You are coming out to deceive people. Imagine. Or man you have the bidding way. Or not send you a receipt of the bid. Or matter more when you are bidding now. Later, I'll wait when you bidding now. You are trying to deceive people. No. I mean, man, useless in the red Sabbath space. They were deceived. But people like Don Priest, very fancy, very fancy, Lily man. We were deceiving. The real truth, the real truth. Who walk bobo now? So men no attack. And then we do attack. You don't know what you are doing. You can't be bobo. You want to show your face to the camera. You can't be want to show your face to the camera. Who will lay your camera? Who will lay? Where you show your book where you can't be? We man wafi boy. We man wafi boy. A month no we stay couple. We hate around that today. We can't be. Frank, when say no office, when they laugh for say we deal with woman. Today, now Mama Kevi ask because they need they stay now. You not gas again. See all of them where they believe her. At the shame. Una where they believe her. Mona share this video. My lovers, I know some they believe her. But the people where they believe her. Now I don't even know what they do. I believe say shame. Now I don't even know what they call. I know say if devil come out today, if devil come out, come do social media today, people will still follow devil. If devil will come out to evil Chris Percy come out, he will go viral. Chris Percy come out now they create social media, he will go viral. But if original person will get sense, they talk. The office maybe na money they find because they feel you feel it here. That is why people they use fake life till they are smart then. You see all these people they watch also presenters, many presenters they use fake life. They are smart then. See the way Ekobete use fake life, tie all of them for one corner. Those one with all wise, not the wrong. But the commenters don't feel wrong though. But the people where they use will get platform, will get sense every day. You say you they manipulate people every day, no get sense. One day they'll get sense. But viewers are commenters, they don't say the many. Oh no, for you get sense like that. Now they hear me so. Viewers are commenters, they don't say the many. Now few ones. Now they get sense. Go no say this woman are here person, this one are the right person. That's so it be. When I listen.
And they give money. And which can give you the one? No, you can send me your address. No, which can give you? No. Nakana, I did 2 bedroom, 2 room where I stay for Palestine. Where when I reach Roma, we know say when I did Roma, I come to stay for 170 euro room. Where a no get carry come out for social media to the mock beside that same house. I come to another 1 room again.
Na lie, boy, nah. Una see what I fed up for Nogi platform. I tell una say when he carry 1 room of 170 euro, he go dey tell Abioyiwa say me and the Nogi they saga around with that room. Say the shame. Say he want me Abioyiwa carry apartment for her. Abioyiwa don't have nothing to do than to bring big money, close to 3,000 to 4,000, to carry apartment for this boy. He still carry the apartment, Abioyiwa call the pay put. This boy not putting out of that room. He call the form big man. No, since I be form big man, where? A big man, not all from a big man. He's a miskin. He not putting out of that because why? Abioyiwa they pay. He not putting out. But when Abioyiwa can't live on, not gonna pay again. The boy try to manage to pay, try for some months. He not fit pay again. Now landlord seize your property. Landlord seize your property, seize everything. Now he call the squad to person. Make shame not come. Now tell him go me mark Kevin now. I beg him no snow wagbon. I want no go wagwan. Now tell him go me mark Kevin now. Person we laugh for say we stay woman. Today, now he stay woman. Person we say no fit marry presenter. Person we say wife can never talk for social media. Today, the wife they do saga. That kind of person, I take integrity. That kind of person, I want to take the trust that kind of people. Cynthia Frank, I see you. God will also shine. See all of you now too much. That kind of person will not get integrity. That kind of person will not get shame. We drink, carry bola, show for those about space. Now that kind of person, I they talk to una, they deceive una. Person will not get integrity. Person will nick out or disgrace. This woman, before this woman die, this woman they regret every day. What make I know this boy? I ain't know this boy. I ain't reach there. This woman they cry every day before she die. I ain't know this boy, Sayemere. I ain't know this boy, Sayemere. This woman they cry every day. Any day coming, I wait till she they regret. Say, I ain't know this woman. I ain't know this woman. I wait till this woman they cry every day. Yeah, you a boy now, eh? There's nothing you can do. Now, because see Mama Kevin, now you see now there, arrest Mama Kevin. Mama Kevin gogi, Mama Kevin irio hoyari vai. Oh God, Kevin yale le boy now because when you gogi ne. Oh no my gog. Oh me I stake a boy now. I pity una hand. Now we'll see the way this boy take useless una. Oh na naked video deal with her. Mama Kevin now the naked video of Mama Kevin with this boy don't carry or bugbe or have you come back because I trust anybody. Or Kevin now I don't back he have a monaria. Because he like to manipulate people. He want people they do on that. So Mama Kevin they don't manipulate that one. So that one don't do on that. So that one not get say. If you say one, Mama Kevin cannot say two. Or go bear. If you say one, Mama Kevin cannot say two. Because he don't finish that one. Or done it. Because if they follow woman, they try to tie her with everything. So that tomorrow, you will see something they beat you. This is this boy. Destiny, they follow her today, Destiny, bad boy. And for inside my mind, I call the tell my wife, say, see this Destiny will follow this boy. So this boy will saga them. If my wife say, you sure? I say he will saga Destiny, saga Star, saga all of them. This boy with me know where they swear for. This boy with me know. He no saga Destiny. He no saga Esther. Now I don't want to be the people who come this day with her now we still dey popular. He no saga them. What did they use them? He want prove say in a man. In a man. He no saga them. But I call it, I look Destiny. Destiny they do this with evil person. Since I did this social media, I never called Destiny one day. When I go ask her, he know me. Destiny know me. Ebagwa know me well, but I never call her one day. Me and I never talk. I believe the day we go see me, go shout. Me, when I see so, I phone pass any other thing. But now you're the social media artist, me, if phone me here. I don't know be Don Prince. I phone that. If you see me for real life, you know say Don Prince the phone. If you like be billionaire, you be anything. I the phone. I don't know be Don Prince. I get my own pride. I get my own pride. For real. That is why you see all these presenter, they don't see anywhere pass enter my body. They don't see anywhere pass enter my body. But today now, you say Destiny give me 400,000. Because you know say Saga can come at Destiny if you can talk come and say when you maybe the 400,000 now. They might do quick talk. But when Destiny give her that money for birthday, this boy not gonna appreciate Destiny for live video. He only appreciate her in door. He not call live video come to say Destiny, you give me 400,000. Where say oh a birthday, man? If na no give you come talk. If na Enogi will talk to appreciate her. Maybe people for appreciate her. People call the heavy Enogi say Enogi to the beg because why they appreciate people. Now good pass. Appreciate people wait help, wait bless you. But this boy no appreciate Destiny. He only appreciate her indoor. But when he say Saga want start, he quickly come tell una say Destiny give me 400,000 for my birthday. Oh, you know say promise me say you give me something. You go feel saying get sense. You go feel saying the brainwash all of una. You go feel saying the brainwash all of una. Oviakbo, good afternoon. I see you, my beautiful sister. God bless you. You go feel saying get sense in the brainwash una. I believe say many people get sense person. Many people get sense person. You go come and say I get sense. Who get sense? They talk say get sense. Who get brain? They talk say get brain. Who wise? They talk say wise. Now people will call the talk say this boy get brain. You know what he's doing. See who get brain. You go carry woman with dog gog. Your house where they build woman, other woman collector. You still come and say you get sense. Since you there abroad, you not get Euro picking. Or you made the boy Euro picking. As you fuck different women rich, you not fit give anyone belly. You stay with one black woman for Jenny. You come and come tell us say now you boy you stay with. All the years we stay with that black woman, you not fit give her belly. Now market you want give belly. You know how many women you don't stay with? You not fit give anyone belly. You know how not because me way day now the 5th child at the express so for abroad. Euro picking. In a veya. Don Prince. Ya total in a randine. Walk away Don Prince of Biela be have mona. Beautiful children. The 5th one very soon I go announce and say congratulations to me, my wife don't born. Don Prince we bola the walk where. Don Prince we spam where it's like quick go talk to picking. Easy. We be say almost work span and laga span. He span laga. Kakaya, all those beard, those police span all the work again. All the boys span, all men, it's span, man, all thick. That is why I know the flat. Then you belly, he flat. He flat. I know the flat. No black video presenter come and say, Don Prince, you don't knock me. I know the flat. Because I know myself. You cannot see my bola in here. When those come and that is so you see my bola, I don't want to lie. Because he was crushing on me. I know they carry Chris person. He was crushing on me. But he not see opportunity. Come and say see my bola. Now so you see my bola. Now so you be all like the bola. He was crushing on big brother, Don Prince. Mais those no meme. Et pas bien mon meme. Me you go carry Chris person, Don Prince. I can't look I say na those way the Chris. We be witch. Now Don Prince want carry Don Prince with integrity. Social media Social media na fake life. Social media. We are talking about integrity. Some people never know the meaning of integrity. Some people they watch me here and they don't know the meaning of integrity. Very dark man with the holla say, I have integrity. Some people never know the meaning of integrity. You will ask some people when they watch, what is the meaning of integrity? You don't know. You don't know. Ask so many people now, what is the meaning of integrity? They don't know the meaning of integrity. Don't Prince, I have integrity. But you know if you know. Because all of us, they do saga. Now I call the cat all of us as one. But me, I know myself. Now the hear me so, I know myself. So on Moswo, coming out, they come they play old video where they take where Mama Joy and Prophet Atiti take saga Lady Abiyewa. They waste time. See music will Prophet Atiti release for Abiyewa. Prophet Atiti where you they talk now. See music where you release for Lady Abiyewa. Prophet Atiti can you react in Nagboama where my brother Wese the music in no release na Wese. I believe that woman or forgive you or carry our tamane or we forgive Atiti or we but uniera mu or what Atiti woman we we. He say Atiti say pesi ba for your chest. Say that lie where Atiti talk. Say that make I invest for Atiti we. Say but I say Atiti come out to apologize. He forgive Atiti. So Atiti, when I call this part, go give Atiti. Say Lady Abiyewa confirm to me. Say he forgive you. You dey hear me so, Prophet Atiti. So don't let this ozuo go dey bring any video when I take sagaran. The woman confirmed to me that Atiti, Prophet Atiti, he forgive her. Now they hear me so. See the music where Prophet Atiti where it release for Lady Abiyewa. Atiti na release this one. Atiti go pay person may sing this music. So Lady Abiyewa. Atiti, anywhere you dey, your heart desire must be fulfilled. Atiti, Prophet Atiti, anywhere you dey, your heart desire. This is the music Prophet Atiti released 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. But this boy now is trying to change the narrative, trying to brainwash the social media, change their mindset. For say na Atiti and Mama Joy saga. Epa Eddie, where you don't say for a man that he do one. This is how he's been watching people. That's why they brainwash all of them for those cyber space. Una the year they tell you so. This is how he continue to brainwash una for those cyber space. This is how he continue to use una head. He believes say some of una mumu to brainwash. He believes say anything when he talk, that they believe. Imagine what this boy is planning. This woman who forgive Mama Joy, forgive Prophet Atiti. I see they bring their video now. Maybe go bring the one minute saga come. Maybe the saga Lady Abiyewa. All of them talk say don't preach saga Lady Abiyewa saga. Go and bring the video where don't preach saga Lady Abiyewa. Go bring them. And then you know say I pass you where. Go and bring it. The video. That time we the video those one don't even follow page with the carry. You don't even follow the page come out. Now you are not telling the whole world, Mama Joy, will Lady Abiyewa forgive? He start to open his heart, they give Mama Joy. Even there are some secrets where even tell Mama Joy, where me believe say me never know. There are some information where Lady Abiyewa give Mama Joy, where he never give me. Today, you are not trying to turn the narrative. You are not trying to brainwash so can you hear people with social media where don't get brain telling them say na Mama Joy. Imagine. Wait, no say Mama Joy get evidence where if you put a muzzle for prison. If Mama Joy got opportunity to see FBI today, say FBI, one woman, that woman, now one boy bully her, see evidence, see the money where you chop her, see the evidence, see everything. Mama Joy get many evidence. I know they tell a lie. Now Atiti, I'm not sure say saying Atiti so many things. I'm not sure say saying, but he forgive Atiti, Prophet Atiti forgive him. But today, this boy now play video of old video. Where be say, where he knows now because of her. Now they will saga Lady Abiyiwa. Lady Abiyiwa not get what to do Mama Joy. Mama Joy not know Lady Abiyiwa. Now when this boy come to the saga, people were they close to Mama Joy, they Julie London, Wagenotata, all those people were they close to Mama Joy. When this boy called the saga there, Mama Joy have to look for person where they close to where they sponsor her. Who? Because that's not Lady Abiyiwa, that day we inside that time. So even everybody, as they beat Mama Kevi so, what did Mama Kevi do us? Mama Kevi not do me anything. Mama Kevi not do me anything. All the presenter we don't saga Mama Kevi, not when Mama Kevi do them. Now because of this Frank Omozuo, that made the saga Mama Kevi today. They expose Mama Kevi Papa, they expose the family. They expose all his family. And because of Omozuo, they expose them. Not because of anybody. So Mama Joy saga Lady Abiyiwa because of Omozuo. Today you are not coming and say, see the people where they cry. Where you know say you have done many havoc. There are so many people you have saga, you will settle with them back. Do you know how many people you are saga that you settle with them? Now you are not trying to change it. See, nobody will believe in you. The glory of that woman, wait till trust Mama Joy. He go to follow Mama Joy, they go. Nothing will do Mama Joy. Mama Joy will continue he will continue to succeed in life. Everything when Mama Joy lay her hand put, he will continue to succeed. His husband will succeed. His family will succeed. His children will succeed. So shall it be. Coming out of this, to fool yourself is a shame, Omozuo. Lawa, no you are planning no boy. Coming out to be playing old video is a shame. Say they don't share this my video. If people share this my video, they'll say you be fool. They will say you be fool. Mama Joy International, I see you. God bless you, my sister. My sister is yo all try not bien me à this side of what. All try not bien me à no convise avec ye man il est là, no convise. It dey pain me say Edo people na few. I call the talk truth. If they pay me say Edo people, na few call the talk truth. Agimi no temata. Agimi no temata. Ewa tagiwa logo nata. Agimi no temata. Ewa tagiwa logo. Ewa tagiwa logo nata. Agimi no temata. You bully this mato. Now you want to put her for Mama Joy head. Uye jo togbo we togbo avant. Uya ga mi na mi abiewa sayemere. Ije kevi uwa ga mi na mi abiewa. If you were kevi ke no dioku wa ya moya no wa bie uwa ga mi na mi abiewa wo wie. Itamu wa wet ate we abere oge abiewa. Me aka me imi ya digi di. Ikavi wa yu ene. Abere wa e amu picha biewa iya. Oni karu we gbone. Yeah, why? Okay, we gbone why we gbo abiowa any we ngwari ajo ga mi na mi in a bad way. Wa ga mi na mi o wie, wa ga mi na mi wa van, wa ga mi na mi wa son. Evil set of people. See music where Atiti go release 3 days ago, abi 2 days ago for this woman. See music. Atiti, and God will bless you. For this music, and God will bless you. Now see music where Atiti release. I never expect. Send I go give me. I said they went to Prince. The music in our pay. Now I'm worried. I got pay.
Abia you woman of your bomo.
Now see life. When I see life. When I see life.
Nagbagwano de bano. Wagio. Pia you woman of your bomo. Okay, Ariave, oh, yo. Nagbagwano teo. Nagbagwano teo.
Oh!
Nagbagwano teo bane. Eke nunguri yo.
Hey, papa. Iriak mojia. Hey.
Nagbagwano te. Abia you wan nagbagwano te o.
Hey.
Nagbagwano te abia you wa o. Eke nunguri yo.
Hey.
Late Madame Abia you wa. Nova America. I want Golorio wa. Prophet Atiti. Your wedding to you wanna yakbo yo wenwe.
Wawa.
Nu yakba kage adena.
Wawa.
Awa we makana meveo.
Wawa. Prophet Atiti or releasing one aladian. Because the woman forgive Prophet Atiti when they are alive. Now leave Fracomozo and Mama Kevi not forgive. He not forgive Mama Kevi and Mama Omozo Sayemere. Imagine now Omozo video where they play so. Now this man they watch we take back Omozo the saga picking. And you see the babasu where they give that picking. See the babasu Larry, EJ Kevi, Bego, we're not doing that. Or the bullying, Yak Begbe, he told him, we were not doing by what I picture Ladian. We were not doing that. Ye Kevi Yak Begbe, or get a mawe, Yamake. We don't module, I know most of that way, I know about the plant of praise. Hey, they go reply, he go reply. Who bag any more him to hang every day? Yeah, he go talk with his see. Oh, we were not doing that, Yak Begbe, Kevi. Yeah, baby. So I want me children, the school where they go, I want me to see the video. The school where they go, if they go soon, I'll lay a picture, I'll go to the break. Make give you a picture of Baladia. We were not doing no owner. Yeah, baby, JKV. JKV, oh, we were not doing no owner. We are baby. You can't bury it. They are dig with your picture, Galile. You have dig with your picture, Galile. You know, no, beg, no, beer. So that my making a make baby beer. Ni ata mewe okpani referent ogbawa okpani je ni okpani olelije no zuwa ogbawa ya lu again agbe JKV ya lu again agbe to the extent uwumiove me Don Prince ya no agogo ni munyawa mo Don Prince forget no I pretend we are not the same in ya we not dionai. You will you will know say you will regret what he make you know Mozo. You will regret say why I know this man. You never see anything. I tell you that's where saga. Eba saga aswen. Ebe bomo saga here aswen. Saga where people they wash, though they say this boy to go far. Saga where people they wash, they say this boy to go far. I can't aswen na. Mwebe saga. Ubege I said, "You're black. She said, the woman die. Black and black is your people. They wonder for my area. So what did they happen?" I said, "You're black and black. They mob this woman because this woman have a heart of gold. If you get this kind of woman, 5, we did as a presenter, we be see they be your better fans. I believe say you are okay for life. I'm telling you, people, my people." If you get this kind of woman 5, all the presenters, no one will not get people where they support them. All these presenters where they see so, they get one or person where they support them for corner, where they bless them with money or anything. They. But they're not telling the truth. All these presenters, they're not telling the truth, except for those small one where be say they not get brain. Big presenter or any what should be big presenter. All presenter. You should be not be even one. If you like you come out today, you must see person who they call you. You will see they bless you. Not be like they tell you now. Nobody will tell the truth. This woman is a heart of gold. And that is why most will see opportunity to finish and reach like that. That is why Frank Victor see opportunity to finish this woman here because he knows this woman too good. He know. When I see, when I listen.
It come be 2 room. I call you that one as out to your room to do my office.
And this video.
Then when I do that one room, I come my bedroom.
When are they listening?
This bedroom, so
when are they listening?
Where I come buy plasma, come buy TV. O my no tell plasma one go get television one yan. O my no tell if you were see wow I wait. Now what am how? Then it comes to make I send address come and say waiting day inside it. Waiting with the gift you want send to me before I send address. I don't feel send. Person ask address come. At the end of the day, the thing come has come like now. I could use the house to collect something. You understand? No person tenant of a team for abroad. Now she come explain about the because everybody
see people for grand.
That's like people do. You say the people they disturb her, say not buy anything for your hand, you don't buy anything for your hand. After those so when you sleep patronize her, based on say they do beats, may patronize her, and make you bring all this crown beat.
You know the shame. Even though say all the story, must you use this beat to do marriage? If we move when you explain. Must you use this beat if you be big boy? As I say this one not they play again, you go back to another beat to do your marriage. But you still use this woman beat to do marriage. You are not trying to use talk to deceive people. You are not trying to use talk to deceive people. My people, if they pay me, say, for a Sabbath space, people with the watch us. So people don't know what they are doing. But they say Queen Talk Show give you 24 hours to post the receipt. Who be this one with the talk? No, I'm going to stay for fake account. Not be to give me 24 hours. May Queen saga me now. Queen Talk Show, if you know, say you know, saga me. May I can't bring the way this woman take carry money, give Queen Talk Show. As in, they want carry Queen Talk Show go UK. Queen Talk Show never tell you now. Queen Talk Show go Queen Talk Show don't favor if they not pay money, they want to carry UK. When Matame le Jabie wa we the UK. I just send you go in wow, not be you are the sponsor that chop the money. A Queen Talk Show turn him wow. If Queen Talk Show to fifth come out, come swear, say this woman not spend money for this sponsor we want carry Queen Talk Show go UK before. May come swear only that one. I don't want to follow and do saga. No so now they brainwash all of now where yeah brainwash you yeah. If they pay me say they brainwash you now. I don't know. That is why now see me for Nari Grand. Some of them go they shake. That is why some of them go they shake. If now see me for Nari Grand. Because I know where. If I also see some people for Nari Grand, you want be one on another time rubbish with platform. That is why they'll see me for the fear. That may be Don Prince. Go ask. Make Queen Talk Show come swear. Say Don Prince accuse and say Lady Abio was sponsor. Ram, more not talk the rest. Only this one why you tell her. Say, Lady Abio will not sponsor you. Say maybe enter UK. When you tell the woman say you want go UK, where the money? You are the sponsor. I not shop the money. I can't say the journey not work again. Now return the money back. I know what I talk to. Queen Talk Show. I know why you talk to you. Cause the woman not forgive you. I heard they tell you the truth. The woman not forgive. Forget say not gonna talk to you. Not forgive you before you buy. He forgive Becky Talk Show. He forgive Mama Joy. He forgive Atiti. He not forgive Queen. I must tell her the truth. So Queen, get out of man. This woman not forgive you. You dey hear me so? Now to swear be the thing. You should be sweat on your children. Today that they see swear. Swear better swear. You go swear if the woman not spend money for you. You come and say, this lady Abiyawa, if he send any money, give me. Or if I don't chop her money, or if he carry me go UK before, me use all those things swear. And I don't ask us live video. Make you use all those things swear na. Why do you a fake account? Why do you ask? Me not believe all those one. You understand me? So I don't want saga quit show. I don't want sagara. They hear me so? I don't want sagara because the woman not forgive quit show. I must tell her the truth. He not forgive her one day. Owa we rank be ego. Owa we rank be ego. If you go reach 1.5 million or you quit show may start this year read this thing. Now lie.